Because of being able to live on campus, being on scholarship, like really helped me to get involved from student life to the research and presenting at conferences. Last summer, I was able to go in an engineering management study abroad course in Spain. You know, we visited the industry, we saw the port of Tarragona, and it was really neat to see how it all comes together. That was one of the more meaningful parts of it. And then, of course, the cultural experience. While at Lamar, I had the chance to go over, present my research in several places. I've gotten awards here at Lamar for a top presenter at the Undergrad Research Expo in Engineering. We hosted our conference here. We had these beautiful new buildings, the RIUD, the CICE building. We finally were able to come and bring such an important event here to Lamar. The overall consensus was like this, the best ever, really, that's what they're saying. We can really do more things now because of the generosity of people invested in the community, invested in Lamar University. Through those experiences, I am now able to take what I learned and really apply it to any industry. We're designing a prototype for alternate clothing sanitation for long-duration space missions with ultraviolet radiation to sanitize, and we are increasing the technology readiness. Throughout this, we actually got a chance to go through the Johnson Space Center and visit with our NASA mentor and really got an inside look. I don't think we'll have the chance to see it had we not been involved. And I was even on national TV. Our professor, he encourages to do something different. A video got filmed, and during that time, it actually got around 2 million views through different channels. At that time, it was even on the Science Channel.
Right now, we're mixing the cornstarch and the water, and we're creating this thing called a non-Newtonian fluid. When it comes under pressure, you push on it, you jump on it, you walk on it, it behaves like a solid. However, if you just sit on it, you will sink.
An edited version of it was published early this year on Facebook, and all of a sudden it just went viral. Right around 21 million, it caught the attention of Pickler and Barron in the Country Music Channel. 2 weeks from there, I was in a plane on my way to Nashville. I was working with their crew, setting everything up, and we replicated the project in a smaller scale.
This is what you're gonna be doing, okay?
All right, yes, sir. Let's do this, Mr. Carlos.
I should have worn shorts. Whoa. That's crazy.
So I can just like get on there and start boogieing?
Yeah, jump on it.
I can jump?
Jump.
Yeah, do a little dance, whatever.
Go, gotta go. Go, gotta go.
Let me tell you, there is a lot of people doing very exciting things at Lamar. I wanted to thank you for your generosity. You had a huge impact in my life, and I couldn't be more thankful for it.